Welcome to Magical Drawings channel. In today's video, we are going to draw two cute Princess Elsa and Anna. Let's start drawing. I am going to start my drawings with Elsa's cute eyes, her nose, eyelashes, and her lips, and her two eyebrows, and also shape of her face. Let's draw her beautiful hair. Her hair are so cool. Now I'm going to draw Elsa's hair braid. I am going to draw her arms, her hands, now I am going to draw Elsa's costume. I love Elsa's wardrobe. She looks absolutely stunning in her beautiful dress. Now I am using this black marker to make this drawing more beautiful and lovely. I like it. It's time to do some magic. Look at Elsa, she is doing hip-hop dance. So cool! On the other side, I am going to draw Anna. I draw her eyes and eyebrows, lips and shape of her face. Let's draw her beautiful hair. She is the second-born daughter of King Agnar and Queen Iduna. Now I am going to draw Anna's braid. She has the pure and loving heart of a true princess. Anna embarks on a dangerous adventure to make things right. I draw her arms. She looks absolutely stunning in her beautiful dress. Anna always wears light, flowy gowns and capes. Good job! Her feet and shoes. It's time to do some magic. Both are looking cool. Let's color the Elsa. Elsa is blonde. That's why I am using this yellow color for her hair. I am going to add some golden color on her hair. And this light brown color for her skin. Orange for her lips. Icy blue dress that has become her signature look. And this color is for her hands. I like her costume very much. Do you like it? Now I am using sky blue color. Some purple color. Hey! Let's color Anna. I am using some orange shade of color. And also dark brown shade. Look at Elsa. She looks graceful and her dance is very impressive. Anna is more daring than graceful, and at times can act before she thinks. But she's also the most optimistic and caring person you'll ever meet. Let's color her face with this color. And some purple color. And dark green. Again, I am going to use this purple color. Do you like purple color, Now I am going to use dark blue color for her dress. Anna's style draws inspiration from traditional Norwegian folkwear, known as the bunad, using this green color for her shoes. And their hip-hop dance is also very impressive. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching!